In this video, I'll go over where to download the provincial rubric and how to use the supporting documents. The provincial working groups developed many high-quality supporting documents for grades 2, 5, and 8. These can be found by clicking through here on OneStop. So here's where you can access all of the rubrics and the supporting documents. In English and in French. Here are the supporting documents, and this is where you can access the rubrics here. And in French, rubrics. Let's dive a little deeper into these supporting documents. These FAQs discuss what I've touched on in these short videos, but go more in depth. It's worth it to read through these. The guiding questions are simple questions you can ask yourself to hone in on the 3 sections of the rubric. And when you're trying to understand the specific wording in the rubric, this terminology document is very helpful. I especially find it useful to pull out the key differences between level 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. One of the documents in that table of contents is the prompts by grade level. Questions par contexte et par niveau scolaire. This is a valuable resource to help guide teachers in understanding the types of questions relevant to the number outcomes for that grade, and building teacher understanding of what grade level means for grade 2, 5, and 8. It isn't mandatory that you use these, but you may consider incorporating some of these prompts as task, math journals, or conversation starters with your students to gauge their learning. The next documents are the math exemplars for grade 2, 5, and 8, or les copies types. These documents take a few of the prompts and expand on them, giving a possible student answer that would be considered at grade level, plus some justification connecting to the rubric. We also have some GSCS resources. So back here on the provincial rubric section of OneStop, you can check out the workshop slides from prior years, check out the examples of products, conversations, and observations. The I CAN cards and student assessment checklists are here. We've linked them specifically for grades 2, 5, and 8, but the other grades are available by clicking on teacher support documents inside each particular grade. The number tasks with the exemplars. These were made in partnership with other school divisions. Then teachers in our system used them with their students and provided feedback, which helped us further refine them. Here's a sample task for grade 2. These tasks were created to prompt problem solving, student thinking, communication, and mastery of the concept. The point was to provide samples of assessments teachers could use for each outcome that would match the requirements in the rubric. Again, these are not mandatory, just samples for your consideration. If you happen to use some of these with your students, please send us feedback so we can continue to refine these sample number tasks. So once more, your go-to place to find provincial rubric resources is this link on OneStop. From here, you can download the rubrics, the provincial support documents, and GSCS supports. Thanks for watching.